So we have a paragraph from Sri Namamrita, the nectar of the holy name. Who wants to read it loudly, nicely? Any volunteers? Okay, हुआ नहीं आपका. Okay, you read. You are finished, Padre? जपा हो गया दोनों का? Okay, ठीक. Go ahead, read.
Sri Namamrita, the nectar of the holy name. The holy name revives one dormant, eternal Krishna consciousness. As a snake-bitten man is brought back to consciousness, as a snake-bitten man is brought back to consciousness by the chanting of certain mantra, so one is in unconscious state of material life can be revived by hearing the Mahamantra. In the Garud Purana, the stress on hearing is expressed very nicely. It is said there, the state of conditioned life in the material world is just like a man lying unconscious, having been bitten by a snake. This is because both such unconscious states can be ended by the sound of the mantra. When a man is snake bitten, he does not die immediately, but first becomes unconscious and remains in a comatose condition. Anyone who is in the material world is also sleeping, as he is ignorant of his actual self or his actual duty and his relationship with God. So materialistic life means that one is bitten by the snake of Maya, illusion, and thus, without any Krishna consciousness, he is almost dead. Now the so-called dead man bitten by a snake can be brought back again to life by the chanting of some mantra. There are expert chanters of these mantra who can perform this feat. Similarly, one can be brought back into Krishna consciousness from the deadly unconscious state of material life by hearing of the Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram,
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji. So what is the point in this paragraph? What did we understand?
We are in unconscious state now. We are sleeping.
Yes? What is the unconscious state? What is the state of unconsciousness that Prabhupada is referring to? Obviously, it is not unconscious. What is the state of unconsciousness?
Illusion of Maya.
Okay. On a practical level, what is it? PhD?
PhD, like
Pagalpan. Okay, good. Okay. So the unconscious state actually means that every moment we are not thinking of whatever we are doing with our body, whatever we are saying with our words, whatever we are thinking in our mind at every moment. Are those three things aligned with what Lord Krishna wants us to do? So there is something called, all of you know what is sannyasa ashram, right? Everyone knows that, right? Brahmachari, grahastha, vanaprastha and sannyas. So when sannyasis take sannyas ashram, they are given a danda. Do you know that? एक डंडा लेके आते हैं वो लोग, and they always put the danda first, pay obeisances, take. Some of them even wrap a saffron cloth around the danda like that. Now what does that danda signify? Anyone knows what that danda signifies?
Remind them their oath.
Remind them their oath of what?
They took sannyas.
They took sannyas, and what should they do? That sannyas is only a position, but what is the duty of a sannyasi?
God, constantly in consciousness of God.
Constantly in consciousness of God, yeah. So today I came in BMW car. Right? Correct or no? कविशा माता जी आपका गाड़ी BMW है ना? हाँ. So because I saw that car, I remembered this. Okay. BMW means what? The sannyasa's oath is BMW. Serving the Lord through body, mind and words. इतना याद रखना. That is why the sannyasa danda is called as Tridandi sannyasi. Tridandi means serving with body, माइंड एंड वर्ड्स. यानी आगे से आजीवन मैं जो भी करूंगा अपने शरीर से, जो भी मैं अपने वाक से बोलूंगा और जो भी मैं अपना मन में सोचूंगा, ऑल दैट विल बी वेरी कंड्यूसिव टू कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस, व्हिच मीन्स I never have a chance to be unconscious. Unconscious state means what? Forgetfulness of Krishna. So the constant chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra will ensure that whether we take sannyas ashram or no, we don't know in this lifetime. But at least we will come to the point of remembering the Lord. At the end of the day, sannyas ashram is not as important as serving the Lord with mind, body and words all the time. That's the state of perfection we have to achieve in this lifetime. And that is only possible by constant chanting of the holy names. Why? Because when we chant the holy names, the Lord comes and controls our senses. Does that make sense? जितना हम chant करेंगे, the Lord will come and control our senses. Okay? And therefore, our free will to align with Maya will go down gradually. So therefore, this chanting process has to be taken very seriously. We have to, when we chant, we have to hear the sound vibration. So we have to chant with feeling, not mechanically like that. Okay? That's what Prabhupada has advised. So, there are two things in chanting: quality of chanting and quantity of chanting. What is more important? Quality of chanting. How many of you say quality is more important? Raise your hand. How many of you say quantity is more important? Raise your hand.
Both.
Yes.
Starts with quantity and
Both are important. It starts with what? It starts with quantity. Quantity begets quality. You know why? Because when you do quantity, that means you're telling Lord, मुझे तेरा नाम जापना पसंद है, नहीं है, टाइम है, नहीं है, मैं करूंगी. कृष्णा से अरे वाह, उसको पसंद नहीं है फिर भी मजा नहीं आ रहा है, फिर भी मेरे लिए कर रही है. चलो ठीक है, I will give you taste for the holy name. So what happens? You start with some quantity, you get taste, then you increase, then you lose taste, then you say okay, बड़ा है ना, अभी और taste देता हूँ. No, like that it goes on, like that it continues. Okay. So therefore, you cannot say, क्या what those 16 rounds they are chanting? No quality. I am chanting one round, quality से करता हूँ. No, not like that. The moment we say that, what happens? Our quality will go, because we are looking down upon people who are chanting more, and we are also not going there to that state. Correct or no? So it's not like that. So quantity plus quality will both are important. Okay, quantity means how much time you are giving to Krishna, and quality means how much Krishna is in your thoughts. Both are important, right? बीवी को टाइम भी देना जरूरी है और उसको अपने थॉट्स में रखना भी एक्सपेक्ट करती है ना, वो करते हैं कि नहीं? वो आपने मेरे में सोचा ऑफिस में लाइक दैट, करेक्ट? ऑल ऑफ यू एक्सपेक्ट और नो फ्रॉम योर स्पाउसेस? सेम वे कृष्णा विल एक्सपेक्ट, राइट? एंड वाइसा वर्सा. क्यों कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे हो? ये IAS का इंटरव्यू है क्या? फाइनली डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर. ओके, सो नाउ today we want to clap for few people. Okay, we want to clap for Taruna Mataji. Is not here today. I don't know where she has gone. Taruna Mataji, Malai Prabhu, Ruchi Mataji and Karuna Mataji for chanting their journey of chanting with one round. How many of you are in the room? Nobody in this room out of the 4? Okay. Huh? Okay, then we want to also cheer for Lakshman Prabhu, Neeraj Prabhu, Yogesh Prabhu, Manta Mataji, Pardeep Prabhu and Rekha Mataji for coming to 2 rounds consistently. It's very good to do something consistently. अभी आजीवन 2 से नीचे नहीं आएंगे, which is a good milestone. Why we are saying? Because the Lord says, in fact in the Bhagavatam it is said that someone who chants the holy name has mastered the Vedas in previous lifetimes. That is why they have come to this point of taking the bead bag and chanting. जो लोग chant कर रहे हैं इसके बारे में, and I'll show you the proof. ऐसा नहीं मैं ऐसे गोली दे रहा हूँ. Okay, I will show you the proof of the verse. Okay. Parthiv Prabhu has moved to 3 rounds. Hare Krishna. Then we want to clap for Amruta Mataji and Pavan Prabhu for chanting 4 rounds. Where are you all? Amruta Mataji, where is Pavan Prabhu? Not in the room. Okay. We want to clap for Nisha Mataji on 5 rounds. Shashi Prabhu and Krish. Is that a full name or short name दिया है क्या किसी ने? Okay. What? For 8 rounds. Neha Mataji and Pradeep Prabhu on 9 rounds. Rachna Mataji on 10 rounds, but she is just being humble. I know last week she told me that she just missed 1 day or something. But actually she is on 16 rounds. So Mataji Hari Bol. Abhi 10 nahi, abhi 16. Okay. And Kailash Prabhu, Ritu Mataji, Vipin Prabhu, Kartik Prabhu, Atul Prabhu, Kavisha Mataji, Kumudvan Prabhu, Kamalam Mataji, Kirti Mataji, Kunal Prabhu, Madhu Gopal Prabhu, Richa Mataji, Isha Mataji and Lavanya Mataji. Hare Krishna. 16 rounds. Very happy to see this progress. Fantastic. Kaustubh Prabhu is doing more than 16. I think he's the first in our Bhakti Vriksha to do more than 16 on 18 rounds. Amazing this is. And Ramaswamy Prabhu there chanting 22 rounds every day. How many you are chanting? 32. 32 rounds every day. Okay. Anyone I missed out? Okay. Anyone who has increased the chanting than what is being announced now? Anyone who increased chanting? Yes, Prabhu.
4.
4. Double. 100% improvement. Hare Krishna. Well done. Prabhuji texted me in the middle of the week. You know, I was so happy. I was so happy. This is really high level of responsibility and accountability for sadhana. Prabhuji, we must learn from him. Okay, so this is very good. Thank you. I was so happy to see that. आपने मुझे लिखा अच्छा लगा. Krishna will be very pleased with you. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Okay. Anyone else who increased chanting? Yes.
I usually do like 10 plus, but now consistent with 4. I need to do 4.
Consistent with 4. You have started doing 4. अभी 4 से नीचे ये lifetime में नहीं. पक्का. Very good. Hare Krishna. Nachu Mataji, where are you? Oh, she is not there. Where is Shubhuddhi Mataji? She is in the room.
Sick.
She is sick. Okay. So Madhu Gopal Prabhu, are you there in the room? Yes. Can you mark in this paper? Mataji has moved to 4 करके, please. And then give it back to me later. So I'll update the sadhana chart.
He's doing at 3 o'clock.
At 3 o'clock in the morning. Hari Bol. Very good. Very good. So we are His Grace Anirudh Prabhu, our temple president. Okay. Last 2-3 days I have been in a lot of discussions with him on various issues. But one of the things was that he would like to visit our Bhakti Vriksha. So by that time, so when should I call him? Okay. So should we call him in 4 weeks from now? Is that okay, everyone? आज से 4 weeks में we will call him. Okay. I will give him advance intimation. Okay. 4 weeks from now, Anirudh Prabhu will come here. Okay. And then we will, and at that time, what are the things that he would like to see he would like to see everyone in Vaishnava attire, ideally. Okay, that would please him. Okay, so this is called as Vaishnava attire. Who is wearing today? I gave dhoti training to somebody. Mandeep Prabhu kidhar hai aaj? Okay, fair enough. So, if we come in Vaishnava attire, it's good, and in Vaishnavi attire, that's very good. Okay, so try to see if you can do that, if it's not too much of an inconvenience for all of you. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so today the verse for the day is a very famous verse from Bhagavad Gita 5.29. Okay, I'll recite the verse. You can follow after me. भोक्ताराम यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति भोक्तारां यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति। प्रभु जी
भोक्ताराम यज्ञतपस्सं
भोक्ताराम यज्ञतपसां
सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं
महेश्वरं
सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां
सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां
ज्ञात्वा मम शान्तिमृच्छति।
ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति। माताजी
भोक्तारां यज्ञतपसां
भोक्ताराम यज्ञतपसां
सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं
सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं
सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां
सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां
ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिं पृच्छति।
ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति। प्रभु जी सगे
भोक्तारां यज्ञतपस्सां
भोक्ताराम यज्ञतपसां
सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं
सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं
सर्वभूतानां
सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां
आत्मा मां शान्तिमृच्छति।
ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति। माताजी
भोक्तारां यज्ञतपसां
भोक्ताराम यज्ञतपसां
सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं
सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं
सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां
सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां you have printed
ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिरच्छति।
ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति। Okay, what is the translation? A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be the ultimate beneficiary of all sacrifices and austerities, the supreme lord of all planets and demigods, and the benefactor and well-wisher of all living entities, attains peace from the pangs of material miseries. Okay, let's repeat this translation. Any Prabhuji wants to read this translation? Who has not read till now? Who has not read? You have not read? Whoever has not read, Prabhu boli.
A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be the ultimate beneficiary of all sacrifices and austerities, the supreme lord of all planets and demigods, and the benefactor and well-wisher of all living entities, attains peace from the pangs of material miseries.
Very good. Thank you. Mataji? Anyone who has not read?
A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be the ultimate beneficiary of all the sacrifices and austerities, the supreme lord of all the planets and demigods, and the benefactor and the well-wishers of all living entities, attain peace from the pangs of material
Okay.
miseries.
One more time. Prabhuji's.
The person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be the ultimate beneficiary of all sacrifices and austerities, the supreme lord of all planets and demigods, and the benefactor and the well-wisher of all living entities, attain peace from the pangs of material misery.
Thank you. Pati Prabhu, आप पढ़िए.
A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to the ultimate beneficiary of all sacrifices and austerities, the supreme lord of all planets and demigods, and the benefactor and well-wisher of all living entities, attains peace from the pangs of material miseries.
Okay. Mataji.
A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be the ultimate beneficiary of all sacrifices and austerities, the supreme lord of all planets and demigods, and the benefactor and well-wisher of all living entities, attains peace from the pangs of material miseries.
Anyone wants peace from the pangs of material miseries in this room? So what is it that we have to do? We have to be in full consciousness of who? Krishna. Okay. And we have to know him as the ultimate beneficiary. Which means whatever activities that we do, we have to do. We have to अर्पण करना को क्या बोलते हैं? समर्पित करना. Offer all that to the Lord because he is Bhoktaram. He is Bhoktaram. He is the ultimate beneficiary. And he is also the supreme Lord of all planets. So the Lord is the supreme controller. He is the supreme proprietor. That in short, that is what is being mentioned here. And the benefactor and well-wisher of all living entities. So if we want anything, then who should we approach? Lord Krishna. He will give us what is good for us, not necessarily what we want. Okay, it will not be our plans with his implementation. Generally we do that, no? Bhagwan, I have laid a full blueprint of my life. Idhar hai, abhi aap amal karna. I have baselined the strategy of my life. Now please Lord, as my servant, now you please keep on taking everything and enabling me for that. ऐसा होता है? That means we are the Lord, no? ऐसा नहीं होता है. So he will run our life. When we chant the holy names, what happens? As much as we chant, to that extent, our previous karma will not impact us. As much as we are surrendered to the Lord, whatever happens in our life will not be a function of our previous karmas, right? And as much as we don't, to that extent, we will be driven by our. That is why it is said, Prabhupada said, come to the platform of 16 rounds. Why? Because when we come to the platform of 16 rounds, we are obeying the instruction of a exalted personality. Ek Mahan, unka instruction. And Prabhupada said, it's not that 16 rounds is enough. But he said, you people cannot do more than 16. Tum log karoge nahi. Correct? But he said, you all do 16 and I will take you through the back door. Which means I'll ensure that your karmas don't come in the way of your deliverance. That is why we are constantly encouraging everyone to come to the platform of 16 rounds, because that state of 16 rounds is called as Srila Prabhupada Ashray. That is the time that we get full shelter of Srila Prabhupada. We'll get shelter of an Acharya to the extent we follow his instruction. Right? So therefore, Prabhupada insisted on minimum 16 rounds. It's not that 16 rounds is maximum. Minimum 16 rounds. We have to come to that platform. And following the 4 regulative principles. So slowly we also have to understand that as our chanting increases, as much as we are not chanting, we will not be able to have control over our tongue. Okay, so we will not be able to, it's not easy to give up tea, coffee, onion, garlic. I know that nobody eats meat here. Okay, I mean most of us, I think all of you have come out of that already by now. And eggs and all that. Okay, but tea, coffee, onion, garlic is the big challenge, right? So, and these cannot be offered to Krishna. So therefore, these foods will keep us in the mode of passion and mode of ignorance. वो आप देखो उठने नहीं देगा सद्गुण में. It will not allow us to uplift ourselves. But our tongue will not listen to us. Correct, no? Because our mind is controlling us right now. So therefore, when we chant in a prayerful mood to the Lord, as we increase our rounds, we should also pray to the Lord saying that, okay Lord, please give me control over my senses so that I can overcome these habits and get qualified for taking shelter of a genuine spiritual master. Otherwise, we are not going to get initiation or shelter from any genuine spiritual master. Somebody bogus can come along. He will say, क्या है पीते हो क्या? पीते हो तो क्या? खुद के पैसे से पीते हो ना? ले लो. Nonsense. बोले और 4 लोग को जरा लेके आओ. No, I want no, because these people want what? They live for only popularity. It's a numbers game for them, right? And then they'll ask donations and whatever. Okay. But a genuine guru wants nothing from you. He will give you hard instructions because he wants to take you out of this material world. He has no other business in this world. वो उसी के लिए आते हैं और वो काम होने के बाद चले जाते हैं. They don't stay back to enjoy the laurels and the puja that they receive. They go. Okay. So with that, we hope and pray that everyone increases at least 1 round. Tomorrow is Ekadashi. Good opportunity to increase 1 round from wherever you all are. Okay. And in 4 weeks time, by the time Anirudh Prabhu comes, whoever is in 16, please don't come back down. And whoever is not on, whoever especially on 12, in 4 weeks try to come to 14 at least. Do Ekadashi. No? If you come to 16, good only. But yeah. Whoever on 14 come to 16 in 2 weeks. Whoever on 12 come to 14. Whoever on 10 come to 12. Like that. In at least 2 round बढ़ना चाहिए अपना. We'll keep that as a target. At least pray to the Lord. Na? Desire नहीं रखोगे, then Lord will not help. Desire you have to. If you don't desire, He will not help. He says इसको interest नहीं है मैं क्यों help करूँ. If you desire and you can't do, He will help. if you talk to him and call out to him. Desiring is our business. All right. So we will go to the next part, which is spiritual edification. Now what we want to do is, we want to read this paragraph together, okay, which we will do now, and then I'll tell you later what to do, okay. So who wants to start reading? I'll just read the opening from Bhagavad Gita as it is, okay. Now some people have this view, ये प्रोग्राम में आप लोग भगवत गीता नहीं कर रहे हो, हमको भगवत गीता करना है. ऐसा हो सकता है ना, किसी को ऐसा ओपिनियन हो सकता है ना, करेक्ट. ये प्रोग्राम क्या है? ये भगवत गीता ही है. It is not different from Bhagavad Gita. Please do not think that Bhagavad Gita study means that Bhagavad Gita book has to be open and then I will say Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveta, Yuyutsavaha. Now let us do 1.2. ऐसा नहीं. That is also good, but that you all are going to do as a part of what? Bhakti Shastri, right? Do not mistake that this is not Bhagavad Gita. In fact, by this you will cover the most important verses of Bhagavad Gita as well as Srimad Bhagavatam and snippets from Chaitanya Charitamrita also. So this is, you remember the goals of our program? Yeah, go back to the goals of our program. At that time, you remember I had set the direction that we are not going to do verse by verse, okay? But please be assured, we have done this program for many years. Do not have any doubts in your mind. ये किधर गटर में तो नहीं लेके जाएगा ये आदमी हमको, ऐसा मत सोचना. We know what we are doing. You know why? You know why? Not because I am doing this, because this has been designed by the senior most guru in ISKCON. Who has designed this? Yeah, the senior most, very highly realized person who Prabhupada said is a personal associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He has designed this material. अगर मैं ये डिजाइन किया होता, पक्का it was a recipe for disaster, I can tell you, because I am nobody to design anything, but this has been designed. So keep your faith in the methodology of a very exalted personality and do not have any inhibitions about this, okay? We will take you there. All of you will become PhDs in Bhagavad Gita in 3 years time, okay? And all of you will be taking courses in Bhagavad Gita, okay? अगर आप regularly आओगे तो डांडी मारा बीच में मेरे को नहीं मालूम. His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj. He is the designer of this material. He is also the spiritual master of our Janna Mataji. Okay, and he is also the person, when I was wearing that, वो है ना वो, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Pajama kurta ना? I used to wear that and go to the temple. Lehenga and kurta, okay? And I had a thick mustache at that time. And baal bhi aisa hero jaisa tha mera. So I used to go to the temple like that. And those were the days when I used to take a matchstick and try desperately to apply a tilak. I didn't know that itna simple hai. Matchstick leke lagata tha मैं सब. मैं भी Vaishnav. like that. And at that time I used to go, and at that time in a forum of many devotees, His Holiness Jayapataka Maharaj kept a danda on my head and said, preach. I didn't know वो मुझे क्यों बोले. Correct. But that's the power of a saintly person. वो किसी बंदर को भी, he will make them, do Bhagavad Gita. So if I can speak some Bhagavad Gita, I am telling you, all of you are much faster. I was a tough nut. It took me many years. आप लोग एकदम fast. Some of you are doing even Bhagavatam. So all of you are faster than me. इतना 100% you be confident. I am the slowest person. और अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो आप लोग सब लोग करोगे, वो भी 3 साल में. मुझे बहुत साल लगा. You all will do it much faster. I did, and that too, it happened only because of His mercy. I don't know how I started this. I had no idea. Okay, I just started just like that preaching. And then another personality, His Holiness Bhurijan Prabhu, when he gave me a book, and then he told me, you must teach also. Okay, so the words of a saintly personality, उसके साथ क्या आता है, उनके instruction के साथ क्या आता है? The power to execute it. Along with the instructions of a saintly person come the power to execute it. वो भी आएगा. वो लोग ऐसे ही नहीं बोल के जाएंगे. Okay, provided we take it. Did I tell you about that? about the dream that I had?
Yeah.
I told you, no? Yeah. Even in His Holiness Jayapataka Maharaj Vyas Puja, Mathura Manohar Prabhu asked me to share, and at that time I said, after His Holiness Jayapataka Maharaj instructed me to do this, and another person also, Gopal Krishna Swami Maharaj, both of them told me, okay, you must preach. And I did not do, I did nothing about it. बैठा रहा, बैठे रहे तसव्वुर में, कुछ नहीं हुआ. बाद में one day, one dream, and then that's the time I got fired. First encounter with Prabhupada in a dream was what? Firing. Not pleased. Firing. Take it seriously. And you know, in the danda behind like that, and I was मतलब पूरा पसीना हो गया था उठ के. And I told my wife this dream. Take it seriously, he said. So power will come. First, what will come? Instruction, which is blessing. Along with that will come power. But still we have to take it seriously, and then there will be effectiveness in whatever we do. So have complete faith. This is the personality I am talking about. जिसने राजू को भगवद गीता सिखाया. So please निश्चिंत रहिए. We are completely in control of this program. Have no doubts whatsoever. Do not compare this program. हम वो दूसरा भक्ति वृक्ष में जाते थे, उधर ऐसा होता था वैसा होता था. दूसरा भक्ति वृक्ष में कुछ और होगा, इधर कुछ और होगा, हो सकता है ऐसा. करेक्ट? Can we do everything what other bhakti vrikshas do? Can they do exactly what we are doing? Probably not, because each bhakti vriksha self-servant leader assesses the audience and takes his own call कि इन लोगों के लिए what is the, and that is a call. For example, if a pilot is driving an aircraft, he is driving at this altitude, you will say, pilot साहब वो श्रीलंकन वाला तो थोड़ा ऊपर altitude में चला है. Will you go and tell him? What will you do? You will put faith in the pilot, ना वो मालूम है उसको किधर लैंड करना है. Correct? So please put some faith. Okay? I'm not saying anybody has said that, but I'm just saying in case आपका मन में ऐसा आया होगा तो this is the response. Okay? ठीक है. From Bhagavad Gita as it is by Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Bhagavad Gita chapter 4 text 34. Now all of you have done that in key memory verse. याद है ना ये बस सबको? हाँ चलो सब लोग बोलते हैं. तद्विधि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षान्ति ते ज्ञानम् ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः. Translation. Just try to learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. Inquire from him submissively and render service unto him. The self-realized souls can impart knowledge unto you because they have seen the truth. Okay, now purport. Who wants to read paragraph by paragraph? Let's start with Mataji's. Okay, you read Mataji. First paragraph padhiye and then pass it on to somebody else.
The path of spiritual realization is undoubtedly difficult. The path of spiritual realization is undoubtedly difficult. The Lord therefore advises us to approach a bona fide spiritual master in the line of disciplic succession from the Lord Himself. No one can be a bona fide spiritual master without following this principle of disciplic succession.
Thank you. Next part. Anybody? Just pick it up. कोई भी उठाइए.
The Lord is the original spiritual master, and a person in the disciplic succession can convey the message of the Lord as it is to his disciple. No one can be spiritually realized by manufacturing his own process, as is the fashion of the foolish pretenders. Bhagavatam 6.3.19 says,
Dharmam tu shakshad bhagavat pranitam.
The path of religion is directly enunciated by the Lord. Therefore, mental speculation or dry arguments cannot help lead one to the right path, nor by independent study of books of knowledge can one progress in spiritual life.
One has to approach a bona fide spiritual master to receive the knowledge. Such a spiritual master should be accepted in full surrender, and one should serve the spiritual master like a menial servant without false prestige. Satisfaction of the self-realized spiritual master is the secret of advancement in spiritual life. Inquiries and submission constitute the proper combination of spiritual understanding. Unless there is a submission and service, inquiries from the learned spiritual master will not be effective. One must be able to pass the test of the spiritual master, and when he sees the genuine desire of the disciple, he automatically blesses the disciple with genuine spiritual understanding.
Prabhuji?
In this verse, both blind following and absurd inquiries are condemned. Not only should one hear submissively from the spiritual master, but one must also get a clear understanding from him in submission and service and inquiries.
A bona fide spiritual master is by nature very kind towards the disciple. Therefore, when the student is submissive and is always ready to render service, the reciprocation of knowledge and inquiries become perfect.
Thank you. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to split up into 4 groups. यहाँ पे 2 group, यहाँ पे 2 group. Okay, you all decide कौन सा group में बैठना है, but you have to sit in a circle. Okay, it's important you sit in a circle. तो आप लोग 2 group में, ऐसा नहीं कि इधर 15 लोग हैं उधर एक आदमी बैठा है, ऐसा नहीं. Okay, just divide it equally, you know, on both sides. If Mataji wants to come on Mataji's side, that's fine. If you want to be there, that's also fine. But यहाँ पे 2 group बना दीजिए. And what you will do is, you will have one spokesperson for your team. Okay. And the spokesperson can change every Bhakti Vriksha, right? आज के लिए एक, ठीक है? So what you will do is, you will discuss all these answers within your group, and then after 10 minutes, the spokesperson will, and I'll ask questions, and the spokesperson from your respective groups will answer what is the group's understanding of that question. ठीक है? Okay. So your time starts now. 10 minutes. 8:30 we will stop. Okay. Okay. We want the lead. Who is the group leader? Okay, in this group, who is the group leader? The group leader has to. She is saying no. You are saying she is group leader. Okay, who is the group leader? Okay, all the group leaders raise your hand. Okay, 1. Who is the group leader here? Karthik Prabhu, you are the group leader. उधर कौन है? अबे वो फिर वो ये कौन सा ग्रुप है? Are you not this group? And what about that? I can see 3 groups sitting there. There has to be 2 circles. तभी 2 group होगा ना? 3 circle में 2 group कैसा बनेगा? And if it is crowded on one end, make it equal. Round circle में बैठो. 2 groups. The leader has to ensure everybody is participating. I am seeing that some people are not even participating. वो लोग अपने ही धुमकी में. ईशा माताजी. You have to ensure that if they are part of the group, they will all participate. आपका responsibility.
First paragraph.
Hey Govinda.
If no one can spiritually be, no one can spiritually.
Riddhi, can you give me the pen? Thank you.
We must be a material certain. Is everyone okay with that?
I think so, because it's here it's saying your wife is
First line of
Two things condemn.
No one can be spiritual because the manufacturing his own process, as is the fashion of the foolish man.
Should not be accepted as
Actually, manufacturing his own process, as is the fashion of the foolish man. No one can be spiritual because by manufacturing his how we must approach a spiritual master. For this time, how we must approach a spiritual master and how we must inquire the truth from how much we approach.
we should approach the wider before we without surrendering without any satisfied from the self-realized the secret of
by service and always ready to surrender.
get a clear understanding and also please avoid application of knowledge and inquiries to a perfect point.
last one if we please humanity sees the genuine
Application question don't discuss. That we have to discuss together. Only discovery and understanding. Don't discuss application question. That is individual. There is no one answer. If you are finished, raise your hand.
then he will bless us automatically. So what is the clear first pass?
Why is it important to belong to God holy position?
No one can be spiritually realized.
So I thought like a person in the position can convey the message of the Lord himself.
Yeah. I like it.
So,
I like it. And I will be able
Okay, just 2 more minutes. अगर हो गया तो raise your hand if your group has finished. Finished? अरे वाह, first to finish. Very good. Okay.
We finished.
हाँ, वो पहला नहीं बोला आपने.
Sorry, Prabhu. We were doing part पहला.
मैं उधर first to finish बोला था, then you are saying we are finished.
कब से finish हो गया? कब से हो गया?
ठीक है, you are second to finish. Okay.
Yeah.
हो गया? Okay. We'll wait for their group to finish. All others are.
like following after inquiry. Otherwise, important is always in the service in the reciprocation of the knowledge and inquiry.
It's kind of more to question. How do we
Third umpire. Ready? Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, time up. All right. So we'll ask your group. Okay. Who are the spokespersons? We'll go around. 1, 2. Who is here? Isha Madhuri, Karthik Prabhu. Huh? Okay. You and who is the spokesperson there? Okay, fine. Okay, so ईशा माता जी को पहला बोल दे देंगे. Okay. What discovery 1? What is the Lord's advice on who we can choose as our spiritual master? Very crisp answers. Don't give purport.
Lord advises us to approach a bona fide spiritual master in line of disciplic succession from the Lord Himself.
Okay, good. Your team wants to add?
Spiritual master is the master is in line with the disciplic succession of the Lord Himself.
That is what they said. Anything you want to add?
And he can only convey the message of the Lord.
Okay.
That's it. That's it.
You can add something if you want to. Yeah. That's all? Okay. Your team?
First question which is path of spiritual realization is very difficult, and we cannot understand the instruction of Krishna without a spiritual master. So a spiritually realized person who is a self-realized soul, that only gives us instruction, and from that instruction we can understand Krishna.
Okay, good. All right. So I'll just add one sentence to whatever you have already said. All good. So the first thing is that there must be a parampara. First is what? There must be a parampara, right? Parampara के ऊपर क्या होता है? You remember I had taught you this before. भूल गए? Huh? Very good. On the top is what? Huh? Sampradaya, university. So whenever you choose a spiritual master, first you have to choose. I thought somebody will add. That's why I kept on saying add. I was thinking, किसको कुछ याद है जो किया था? So on the top is what? The university level. University is called as Sampradaya. How many Sampradayas are there in Vaishnavism? Who started which one? Brahma started one, yes. Another one was started by Rudra. Another one was started by Kumaras. Another one was started by Lakshmi. Very good. Sri Sampradaya, right? So when you are practicing Vaishnavism, your guru, you should ask, आप कौन से संप्रदाय के हो? If he says Bollywood Sampradaya, then what you will say? No. Okay. कुछ भी बोलेंगे, which is not aligned. Ultimately, where are you connected to these universities? Just like when you do a degree, okay, you don't go to any XYZ, na? Okay. Suppose one of your friends is there, Manju, and he says, मैंने engineering college खोला है, Manju College of Engineering, आ जाओ सब लोग, MIT, Manju Institute of Technology. बोला, has you been recognized by government? He said, नहीं, दिल से कर रहा हूँ. You cannot go and join. Dil se, Jaban se, nothing you can do. It has to be recognized by the government, right? Who is the government? Krishna. So Krishna recognizes only Vaishnavism practiced under what? Bona fide university. That is called as what? अभी आगे से बोलने का नहीं, all this you have to write in the paper and take home. Okay. One day you will have exam now very shortly. Okay. So there is university, and in university, in every university, under that there are various institutes, right? ISKCON is one such institution under the University of Brahma Sampradaya, which, right? But specifically there are branches. Brahma, Madhva, Gaudiya is ours, okay? But we are an institution under that. And in any institute, there is a pedigree of teachers who come one after the other, one after the other, one after the others, who pass on that knowledge in parampara system. So there has to be a Sampradaya, there has to be an institute affiliated with that Sampradaya, and then there have to be a line of teachers. That is what I was expecting. Okay, so you can now add based on whatever you have learned before also. Thoda one line like that. Okay, so only then the spiritual master is born. Now it's interesting here. It says approach a bona fide spiritual master in disciplic succession. अभी आप बोलोगे bona fide word क्यों यूज किया है? संप्रदाय में तो है स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर. हाउ डू आई नो दैट दैट पर्सन इज बोनाफाइड? मतलब इंस्टीट्यूट में IIT बॉम्बे बोनाफाइड और नो बोनाफाइड. ओके, सो वन डे व्हाट हैपेंड, आई वेंट देयर. मैं तो वड़ा पाव खाने गया था कैंटीन में. ओके, आई एम आउटसाइड पर्सन. ओके, आई वेंट टू ईट वड़ा पाव. आई हर्ड सम अनाउंसमेंट सेइंग दैट कंप्यूटर साइंस टीचर इज एब्सेंट टुडे. सो आई वेंट इनसाइड and I started teaching computer science. I said I am in proper bona fide Sampradaya, bona fide institute. Correct? Now what is wrong?
You were not bona fide.
I was not bona fide. Have they authorized me to accept disciples? No. So in ISKCON we have what is called as the governing body commission. It is called as what? GBC. The governing body commission. What is that? अमिताभ बच्चन का सॉन्ग, आते जाते हुए मैं सब पे नजर रखता हूँ, नाम अब्दुल है मेरा. You know that song? सबके खबर रखता हूँ. So like that GBC, what they does for all these people, okay, they will keep an eye on everyone. Okay, which zone they are going, are they chanting the 4 principles, are they following 4 regulative principles, are they doing their sadhana properly? ये पूरा का पूरा मॉनिटर करते हैं. कौन मॉनिटर करते हैं? GBC मॉनिटर करते हैं. So it is not that the sannyasis are free to do anything and everything and go anywhere, and they are all under strict observation. Is it possible for a sannyasi to fall down? Yes, it's possible. It's possible for anybody to fall down from their oath, right? That is why it's important that we practice bhakti under an institution which has got a strong governance. Right? And the moment a sannyasi falls down from his position, immediately that person is de-rostered. They cannot accept any other disciples. So the institution is giving you a guarantee of quality. Correct? You can buy somewhere from the street also. वो 4 दिन में खराब हो जाएगा. But when you have to go where? To that showroom. What is that called as? India में कौन सा showroom है? Genuine. Oh, you have to go here where? वो JB Hi-Fi. Then you know, हाँ JB Hi-Fi का quality है. Because there is an institution. You can go and catch somebody by the neck. Correct or no? There has to be an accountability of the spiritual master. So that is important. Why is it so important to accept a guru? We'll do one question per group, okay? Why is it so important? Unless another group wants to add some different thing, okay? नहीं तो सब लोग वही बोलेंगे, मजा नहीं है. Why is it so important to accept a guru who belongs to a proper disciplic succession? Okay, Karthik Prabhu, we'll give it to you.
Yeah, the person in the discipline succession can convey the message of the Lord as it is to his disciples. No one can be spiritually realized by manufacturing his own process.
Okay. So, in the disciplic succession, there is monitoring that the message is not colored in between. Many Bhakti Vrikshas, they play telephone game. We didn't play it in our picnic. Telephone game, you know what it is? Play telephone game. I say, I say something, I say rocket. And when it comes out, they say Virat Kohli. मैंने तो rocket बोला था. But by that time, ये गांव पूरा जाके आता है. Everyone puts his masala, his own interpretations, right? Somebody will say rocket जैसा shot मारता है वो विराट कोहली. But मैंने तो rocket बोला था. That's your application of rocket. You twisted it based on your mood at that time. So therefore, it has to belong to a proper discipline session. It has to come as it is without any coloration. Now, why is there a guarantee of the message coming to us as it is? Because of the purity of the spiritual master. If the spiritual master is pure, he will not say, I have invented this philosophy. सब लोग मेरा जय बोलो कल से. मैं नहीं होता तो आपको कैसा पता होता है ये philosophy? No, nonsense, right? That person will, only what he will do, he will parrot the message of what he has learned from senior authorities as it. उतना काफी है भगवान के पास जाने के लिए. Moment we put our masala in between, everything is gone. Therefore, we have to be very careful. Tomorrow, all of you will be preaching. So, you have to be very careful not to put your own masala inside. Correct or no? Yeah. Describe how we must approach a spiritual master and how we must inquire the truth from him. What is the mood of approaching? Yes, your group.
So, full surrender. And,
Yes.
And the next one is that we should not have any false prestige.
Okay. And
Like me.
और एक चीज है.
And we should be submissive.
Surrender, submissive, no false prestige.
You have to be a menial servant.
Menial servant. Yes. Okay. Anyone wants to add another group? Okay. This group has not added. What's?
Self-realized.
What do you mean by that? That's a word. Who has to be self-realized?
The person who is sitting for the guru.
No, but how must we approach a spiritual master? We are not saying what is the qualification of a spiritual master. How much we approach? We approach with what? There are two things that are mentioned. Okay, let me see who can tell me the two precise things. Two words है उधर. हाँ? हाँ.
Inquire submissively.
हाँ. Inquire. There has to be inquiries, and then there has to be submission, and then there has to be service. ये तीनों. Inquiry, submission, and service. ये तीन चीज होना चाहिए. Which means we should open out our hearts and tell the spiritual master हमारा problem क्या है. Many times what happens, why we don't tell our problems to others? Because of I'll sort it out. मुझे पता है. That is one. That's false ego. Okay. Another thing, we want to hide our problems so that sometimes we can act as if we are more advanced than actually what we actually are. So doctor के पास जाके, if doctor is checking with क्यों आए भाई? पता नहीं ऐसे घूम रहा था बस. But I'm good. No problem. Doctor पर इधर क्यों आए थे? Right? So what will happen? If you go to a genuine doctor, what he will say? Don't waste my time. Okay? But if you go to a bogus doctor, वो क्या बोलेगा? नहीं फिर भी ये लाल दवा आपको देता हूँ. And what he will give you? नारंगी सा रसीला. What is that? हमारे लिए रसना. So he will give you that. And he will say ये पी लो. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. कुछ प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं था लेकिन अच्छा लगा. हाँ मेरे को लग रहा था कुछ इफेक्ट है. This called as what? In English, placebo effect, right? So लोभी गुरु लालची चेला दोनों का नरक में ठेलम ठेला. Okay, swindler, saints and swindlers पढ़ा सुना ना आपने lecture? Yeah. So therefore, if you go to bogus person, he will give you medicine for things which you don't have ailment for. Correct? Because he has to do something na, to be in that position. Correct? Whereas a genuine person, when we meet a genuine person, we have to ask genuine questions. Not questions with a view to impressing. Many people ask, spiritual master, guru hai, chalo usko impression marte hain hum log abhi. What do we call it as? Dagma. You know what's dagma? I told you, no? Dagma. Desperate attention grabbing measures and actions. Right? Like college, we used to ask questions na, to the professor to impress the girls. Sir, what's the difference between velocity and acceleration? राइट, इंप्रेशन मारने के लिए. बाद में टीचर ने जो आंसर बोला वो तो सुना ही नहीं मैंने. बाद में दोस्त को पूछना है क्या बोला यार, एग्जाम आ रहा है कल, जरा बता. अरे तूने तो क्वेश्चन पूछा था. हाँ पूछा था भाई, बट क्या करो, मेरा एजेंडा कुछ और था. आई वांटेड टू इंप्रेस समबडी इन द क्लास, राइट. सो वी डोंट अप्रोच स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर विद अ व्यू टू ऐसा तोड़ो क्वेश्चन, फाड़ो क्वेश्चन पूछो, पूरा मंदिर में सब लोग मेरे को देखेंगे, बोले क्या नॉलेजेबल है यार. नॉट लाइक दैट. ओके, इट हैज टू बी इन अ मूड ऑफ व्हाट, जेन्युइन humble inquiry. But सिर्फ inquiry नहीं. When will the spiritual master open his mouth? Listen. When will he open out his heart and tell you? When we serve him. Because in service, you are proving to him that you are also genuine. He is genuine because he is coming in Sampradaya. How does he know I am genuine? So I will serve him. So we have to take any opportunity and every opportunity to serve exalted personalities. Okay, we discussed that 2 weeks back, no? 2-3 weeks back. Okay, some of you have already given two people from our Bhakti Vriksha put hands up for serving Jagattarani Mataji. Okay, so no, I already sent, भेज दिया मैंने आपको, एक डॉक्यूमेंट बोला है वो दे दीजिए, because Mataji has responded already. मतलब she is saying she is awaiting that. आपका एक she is awaiting, yours has gone. Not yours. Yours have gone. Yes. Anyone else put up their hand? मुझे नहीं पता. Okay, for that service. But otherwise take up services, general services. As I said, Vindham Center में take up general services. And when any spiritual master comes, once you want to take more association with the spiritual master, then you can inquire by the person, Maharaj, how can I serve you in the geography? Like that, okay? And then you can do lots of services for them. Okay, they will tell you, okay, what services you should do. Most of the people, what they will do, they will tell you, your service is what? Cooperate with your local temple. Whatever services they give you, you do it nicely and I am very happy. For example, my spiritual master told me, don't ask me how should I serve you. I have only one thing. I don't want to hear any complaint about you from the local temple. I want to hear that you are serving my God brothers, which means other sannyasis very nicely who are coming in your zone. You serve them. If they tell me about your services, you have pleased me. That's all. That's the instruction I got. So I don't go on asking them. No. So either whoever comes here, we try to serve them. Like that is the safest bet for you. Serve all the sannyasis. जो भी ऐसा नहीं कि only one guru I will only serve you. नहीं तो मैं किसी को नहीं serve करूँ, ऐसा नहीं. That is some kind of ahankar, that is. Okay. So serve everyone generally, and Krishna will eventually lead you to one spiritual master who will be more dearer to you than others. Okay. How do we advance in spiritual realization? Understanding 3. We discussed that already. How do we advance? We advance, it is there in the third last paragraph, last line, automatically blesses. Who is the spokesperson? किधर गए सब लोग? Okay, what's your team saying? What did your team say? Yeah.
Satisfaction of the self-realized spiritual master is the secret of advancement in spiritual.
Very good, very good. So he must be satisfied with our service. Okay. Okay. What 2 things are condemned in our relationship with the spiritual master? Okay, your team. No cheat, you're condemned.
Blind following
And absurd inquiries. Right? Someone went and asked Srila Prabhupada, one press reporter, said, how many floors are there in the World Trade Center? Prabhupada said, what kind of question is this? Right? So this is not the kind of question. Right? So this is not a question which will give you self-realization. What kind of question is this for somebody? So it was just trying to be cheeky and smart, like that. Okay. Trying to defeat the spiritual master, trying to prove a point. Not like that. Then you will not go anywhere in your life. Why is it important to please the Guru? Your team.
Without pleasing the Guru, we cannot approach to Krishna, because Guru, authentic Guru only connect us with the Krishna.
Yes.
So we can please Guru with our service and submission.
Very good. So when we please a Guru, what does he do? He takes the Krishna Prem inside his heart and he prays to the Lord to transmit his Krishna Prem into your heart. He transfers his प्रेम. उसके वजह से उनका कम नहीं होता. इट्स नॉट लाइक मैंने 10 रुपए दे तो मेरे पास अभी 90 ही बचा है. नॉट लाइक दैट. मेरा क्या होगा? नॉट लाइक दैट. ही डजंट थिंक लाइक दैट. ओके. देयर इज अ वर्स इन ईशोपनिषद. All of you flip your machines. Go to Veda base and go to Isopanishad. There are various books, no? Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, etc. Today we will go to Isopanishad. For the first time we are opening Isopanishad today. Correct? Everyone okay? Opened? और उसका ना invocation मंत्रा में जाना. Don't go to mantra 1, go to invocation. Isopanishad, invocation. Anyone knows which is that mantra? ओके मिल गया? नहीं, ईसोपनिषद, वो बुक का नाम ईसोपनिषद है, उसमें इन्वोकेशन मंत्रा. ओके, यू हर्ड ऑफ दिस, इट्स अ वेरी फेमस वर्स. ओके ओके, कौस्तुभ प्रभु बोलिए जोर से.
ओम पूर्णम अध पूर्णम इदम पूर्णात पूर्णम उद्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णम अदया पूर्णम
वशिष्यते. ओम पूर्णमदां पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णम् उदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णम एव वशिष्यते. Now what is the English translation? Read it very carefully. Okay, who wants to read English translation? रितु माता जी आप पढ़िए English translation जोर से.
सर कहाँ पे पढ़ना है?
कौन सा है वो फोन? सैमसंग आईफोन कौन सा है? No, joking. Okay.
The personality of Godhead is perfect and complete, and because He is completely perfect, all inhabitants from Him, such as this phenomenal world, are perfectly equipped as complete wholes. Whatever is produced of the complete whole is also complete in itself. Because He is complete whole, even though so many complete units emanate from Him, He remains the complete balance.
कुछ समझ में आया? This sounds like don't trouble unless trouble you. If you trouble will always trouble you. Correct ना? Also there are tongue twisters. Betty bought some butter. The butter was bitter. वैसा. So इसमें complete whole, complete पूर्ण, complete perfect. So आराम से घर में जाके पढ़िए. But what it says is the Lord always remains complete, even though so many complete parts come out from Him. He still remains the complete whole. So which means if your spiritual master gives you Krishna Prem, it doesn't mean उनका कम हो जाएगा. That's all I meant to say. उसका वो प्रमाण उधर से आता है वो प्रमाण, ठीक है? Krishna Prem will infinitely pours in the heart of a pure devotee. So when you serve, what happens? These saintly personalities wish you from the heart. Thank you. What is their method of thanking thank you? They bless you saying that may you progress in your Krishna Bhakti. So as you serve the spiritual masters, your material attachments, pride, anger, envy, greed, lust, सब पागलपन कम हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे. But we have to serve. ठीक है? So that is how they do. Because why? Because they are naturally very kind towards the disciple. The spiritual masters are very kind to the disciple. There is one beautiful verse. I don't remember the canto. But if you want, you Google now. अभी देख लेते हैं चलो. Mood अभी proper है तो उधर ही देख लेते हैं. Just write this whatever I tell you. TITIK SAVA तितिक्षव TITIK SAVA and write Bhagavatam. तितिक्षव and then Bhagavatam and you'll go to that verse. और जहाँ भी भागवतम में वो दिखाई देगा आपको. Canto 11 chapter 2.
Text 05.
क्या लिखा है उसमें? पढ़िए. तितिक्षव कारुणिका वही है. सुहृदा सर्वदेहिनाम. That the verse?
3.25.
हाँ, it can be 11. 3.25.21. Very good. Thank you. That what is that verse? We will all say together. Titikshava karunikah suhrida sarvadehinam ajata shatravah shanta sadhavah sadhu bhushanah. This talks about the quality of highly advanced spiritual masters. क्या है? इंग्लिश में पढ़ते हैं हम लोग अभी. इंग्लिश में धीरे धीरे. Who somebody who can tell loudly with a mic. किसके पास माइक है हाथ में वही पढ़ लेना. हाँ, आप पढ़ो. आरती प्रभु पढ़िए जोर से. नहीं ट्रांसलेशन आराम से, लेकिन जोर से.
The symptoms of sadhu are that he is tolerant, merciful.
Okay, all of you please concentrate. I think many of us have lost concentration only now. Okay. ठीक है, अब 5 मिनट अभी. 5 मिनट नहीं, कितना टाइम है अभी? हो गया 9 मिनट. Yeah.
The symptoms of a sadhu are that he is tolerant, merciful, and friendly to all living entities. He has no enemies. He is peaceful. He abides by the scriptures, and all his characteristics are sublime.
Okay, this is the quality. If somebody asks you who is a sadhu, what qualities, then what will you quote? ये वाला बस. तितिक्षव कारुणिकः सुहृदः सर्वदेहिनाम् अजात शत्रव शांत साधव साधु भूषणः. Okay, so please note down somewhere all these things I'm saying so that you can note down in your paper and you can make a portfolio of it. आपको ये सब बहुत काम आएगा आगे जाके. You will not realize now. This is your gold, whatever you are writing now. ये सब आपको ready-made cross links मिलेगा. Tomorrow when you sit here on this chair, it will help you. Okay. So that is why you have to please the Guru. Okay. Now application question. So we will ask at least 5 devotees to share in 30 seconds. What are your thoughts about accepting a living Guru in order to further progress in your spiritual life? आपका क्या विचार है इसमें in taking a living Guru? We will take 3 people from here and 3 from here. Okay. 30 seconds के अंदर लेंगे. एकदम short answer. Yes.
So we should have a living Guru because we can communicate with him if we have any questions. Unless we don't have any physical body, then we can't communicate.
Very good. We can communicate only with a living spiritual Guru. Yes, आपका group. Who wants to say your realization from your group? Not spokesperson, anybody from your group.
The living Guru, we inquire with him submissively, and he can answer all your questions because you have to go in a spiritual life, and he is the person who can guide you, mentor you, so that we can reach the ultimate goal.
Okay, good.
Without him, we will not be able to achieve.
Good, nice. Any one more, Prabhuji? Question: what are your thoughts about accepting a living Guru? Who wants to answer? Based on whatever you have learned.
I thought our mind plays with us because sometimes we are thinking something else, but someone is giving us direction so we can communicate and translate our views, and he can help us to tell what is the exact direction we have to follow.
Very good, beautiful. Yes.
I think because if we are serving because we would get a chance to serve the living entity. Right?
Very nice.
That is something that we
I was looking for that point. Yes, beautiful. Thank you so much. Very good. All nice realization. Prabhuji. Yes. Mataji.
Desire and clear understanding.
एक मिनट माइक आएगा आपके पास.
Thank you. Genuine desire and clear understanding.
Genuine
Desire.
thoughts about accepting a living Guru. What are your thoughts about accepting a living? Why living Guru क्यों चाहिए? एक फोटोग्राफ से दीक्षा क्यों नहीं ले सकते हो? क्यों एक जीता जागता इंसान चाहिए as a Guru? That's the question.
Right direction.
Right direction. Photograph cannot give you. Photograph will not talk to you ना. अभी सुना है फोटोग्राफ से बाहर आके कोई बोला है? नहीं होने वाला है. At least not at our level. Correct? Good.
We can have a chance to get Vapu Seva, like physical association, and we can also get the blessing and consent.
Very good. Yeah. Vapu Seva. Now she has used the term Vapu Seva. How many of you know what that means? Okay, only 2 people in the room know. Vapu Seva means serving physically, personally. Okay. Vani Seva means serving through the ears by hearing the instructions. Vapu Seva means physically serving that personality. That's what she's saying. So unless that person is, if the person is gone, how can you do Vapu Seva? Not possible, right? That's what she said. Yes.
You should follow the instructions seriously.
Yes.
Of your spiritual master.
Okay. That is how you should serve a spiritual master. But the question is, what are your thoughts of accepting a living Guru?
That you can get the proper instructions,
Okay.
bona fide instructions, what you should
Yes.
do exactly
Yes.
to increase your
Yes.
bhakti.
Very good. Very good. So, yeah. Anyone else wants to add? Anyone? Yes, Madhu.
तो मैं कॉन्टेक्स्ट देना चाहती हूँ इसके लिए. जैसे अगर हम मतलब in terms of when we are learning. तब 3 types of होते हैं ना learning. एक face to face हम learn करते हैं और एक online self face करते हैं. तो अगर हमारे पास गुरु है तो it's like a face to face teacher. गुरु deliver करता है course. कितने भी number of लोग हो सकते हैं वो class में. गुरु can see and evaluate कि वो person कहाँ पे है. जब तक वो गुरु नहीं देखेगा आपको face to face, he can't give you personalized instruction. आप grow कैसे करोगे?
Beautiful.
So if you really want to grow, must have to have a physical guru.
Nice, very nice. Beautiful. So customized instructions. अपना बीमारी का दवाई. General बीमारी is पागलपन. सबको है. But for us customized. For me P ज़्यादा है, A ज़्यादा है, G ज़्यादा है, E ज़्यादा है, और L ज़्यादा है. Right? So that is why spiritual master will see the situation and then he will orient it. Many times we may have questions. How do I integrate my spiritual life and my material life? Now I have a nice Bhakti Vriksha going on here, but my boss told me, you are the vice president. We are transferring you to Russia. Should I go or not? You know, there is no temple there, suppose. Okay. Then spiritual master you will phone, na? Maharaj, what should I do? $10,000 ज़्यादा मिल रहा है उधर. Okay, जाऊँ. Correct. So these are the kind of questions. It's not that he will always say, no, don't go. He may say go also. He'll say, go, yeah, we were thinking of setting up a Russian center. No, okay, you contribute there to preach to the Russians. No, he may tell you that also, right? कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. But at least you are validating your thoughts. So customize instructions based on your situation. Living spiritual master. Good, all good answers. Okay, let's read through the preaching is the essence. Preaching is the essence by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada ki Jai. The preachers approach everyone how? अभी 2 मिनट सिर्फ ध्यान देना. Please do not focus on anything else. 2 मिनट ध्यान देना. Because this module is very important. The preachers approach everyone impartially. Vedantavadis or the Bhakti Vedantas are impartial in distributing the transcendental knowledge of devotional service. To them, no one is enemy or friend, and no one is educated or uneducated. No one is especially favorable and no one is unfavorable. The Bhakti Vedantas see that the people in general are wasting time in false, sensuous things. Their business is to get this ignorant mass of people to re-establish the lost relationship with the personality of Godhead. By such endeavor, even the most forgotten soul is aroused up to the sense of spiritual life, and thus being initiated by the Bhakti Vedantas, the people in general gradually progress on the path of transcendental realization. This is from Srila Prabhupada's purport to Srimad Bhagavatam, 1st canto, 5th chapter, 24th verse. Okay. So, why is this module important? We are not focused so much on this module because time हो जाता है ना तब तक. So I have to manage time better. It's my fault actually. Okay, it's not yours. It's my fault. This why? Because what is the goal of the Bhakti Vriksha program? Tell me. To go back to Godhead.
Like we are forgotten souls.
Yes.
कुछ हमें पता नहीं है क्या कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
You were saying in the previous Bhakti.
That is the goal of Krishna consciousness. What is the goal of the Bhakti Vriksha program? हाँ? Okay. एक मिनट. हाथ ऊपर. Okay, 1 minute. Amata ji, yes.
Create the taste of bhakti.
To create the taste of bhakti, yes. But ultimate वो milestone क्या है? Milestone. What is the 2 milestones? Milestone क्या है? वृक्ष. Very good. Okay. Yes.
Initiation.
Yes. Very good. So there are 2 milestones of the Bhakti Vriksha program. What are the 2 milestones? First is all of you come under Guru Ashray. So you all find your living Guru in disciplic succession, bona fide, under Parampara, in a Sampradaya. That is one goal. Number 2, what is the next one? After that, what happens? We take shelter of a Guru, and then after that, what we should become? We should ourselves become Siksha Gurus. So for us to branch out, Rekha Mataji, Maidstone Bhakti Vriksha. Okay. Somebody else will be Tarneet Bhakti Vriksha program. Okay. Tarneet में बहुत सारे streets हैं. Mowbray Street Bhakti Vriksha program. Okay, like that. Okay. फिर क्या है कौन सा सबब है? Williams Landing Bhakti Vriksha. Traginina Bhakti Vriksha. Like that. So that's how we all have to branch out. And then where you will be sitting? here. Who will be sitting there? Your members will be sitting. वो दिन आएगा, ठीक है? But उस दिन you have to be very, that's why we are training you here on the importance of preaching. So preserve these notes, study them carefully, okay? And then one day that will come that you will start doing that activity. So that is the milestone. That's the goal of our Bhakti Vriksha program. Now you don't have to wait to start preaching till that day, because वो तो अभी दिल्ली दूर है थोड़ा, right? So in this module, from the ensuing weeks, we will ask you who you have preached to. ऐसा नहीं, preaching means you have to sit like Narendra Modi in some pandal program and say, oh अच्छा हम अभी अखंड भारत, not nothing like that. कुछ speech नहीं देना है. All it is that you have your Saheli whose name is Manju. You are telling, ए मंजू, तेरे को पता है कि तू तेरा बॉडी नहीं है. बस अपना जितना रियलाइजेशन है उतना. we have done big preaching भाई. मंजू को बोलने का, मंजू what is this? My hand, my nose. मंजू सब तेरा बॉडी है तो तू कहाँ है? तो सोचा ही नहीं. शेफाली जी. Okay. So therefore we have to. This is what is preaching. Preaching means कुछ बड़ा बड़ा करना नहीं है, राइट? यू डोंट हैव टू बर्स्ट दैट. व्हाट इज दैट? कौन सा बॉम्ब है दिवाली में सबसे ज्यादा आवाज? रस्सी बॉम्ब. हाँ, यू कैन इवन डू दैट लवंगी, छोटा वाला और द केप. हाँ, तो छोटा छोटा शुरू करना प्रीचिंग. ओके, छोटा छोटा. एवरीवन हैज टू टेल सम मैसेज टू somebody, and you know why you have to do it? Because Krishna is very pleased with you if you do that. So go out. जितना आज जो भक्ति वृक्षा में सीखा ना, जाके दूसरों को बोल के आने का बाहर जाके. By that what will happen? What will happen? Krishna will be pleased. Another thing, what will happen? That person will ask you some question and you'll say, and then you'll come back. प्रभु जी मैंने तो उसका ऐसा बोला, वो तो ऐसे घुमा रही है मुझे. Then we will discuss. Then what will happen? आपको सपोज घुमाया मंजू ने, then he will tell, मेरे को भी मेरा दोस्त डेविड ने कुछ इंडियन ने, मोहन ने पूछा था. मोहन ने भी वही पूछा, मैंने मोहन को ऐसा कन्विंस किया. एंड देन यू विल से अच्छा, अरे तो अच्छा आंसर है. एंड देन इफ बोथ ऑफ यू कांट, देन यू आस्क मी. इफ आई आल्सो कैन नॉट आंसर, आई विल आस्क समवन एंड टेल यू हाउ टू कन्विंस दैट पर्सन. बराबर है? सो ये प्रैक्टिस आपको अभी से आना चाहिए, छोटा छोटा लेवल में, सो दैट देन यू कैन फेस 100 पीपल एंड आंसर देयर क्वेश्चंस. कैसा आएगा? एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू फेस 1 person to begin with. So all of you, each one preach to 1 person. Another way of doing it is, you have to tell them about the Bhakti Vriksha program and bring more people, not to our Bhakti Vriksha. अभी पूरा full है इधर. Okay, but you have to tell a list of names who all are interested. For that, थोड़ा थोड़ा उनको philosophy देने का. You have to excite them with the Bhagavad Gita philosophy, so that they are eager to learn more. And then tell them, देखो ना हमारे सबब में ना बहुत भक्ति वृक्ष हो रहा है. कौन सा सबब में रहते हो आप? मैं तो माउंट एवरली में रहती हूँ. माउंट एवरली में, then tell me, I will tell you which program they should go to. This is the way you will contribute to connecting someone with Krishna. For that you don't have to do Pandal program tomorrow. ठीक है? Okay, that is what is this preaching is. So next time onward we want to hear some stories of छोटा छोटा आप लोग ने क्या preaching किया है. छोटा छोटा को क्या बोलते हैं? काइजन. स्मॉल preaching. छोटा छोटा, not बड़ा बड़ा. ठीक है? श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. महाप्रसादे गोविंदे नमो ब्राह्मणे वैष्णवे स्वल्प पुण्यवतं राज श्वासोदेव जायते शरीरा विद्याजाल जडेन्द्रियताहिका जीवे फैले विषय सागरे तारा मध्ये जीवाति लोभोमय सुदुर्मति ताके जेता कठिन संसारे कृष्ण बड़ो दयामय कोरी बारे जीव जाय सब प्रसादन दिलो भाई सेन मृत पाओ राधा कृष्ण गुण गाओ प्रेमे दापोषी चैतन्यताय जय निमाय जय निताय जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधारा शिवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. How many of you have not by hearted this mantra? So next week you will recite this after by hearting homework. Okay, remind me. If I start reciting, you stop me. Prabhu, chup, you tell me. Okay, then you will recite it next week. Okay. Okay.